Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Edge flashing black screen issue on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. Now, in some cases, it happens because you're playing copyright content on Netflix or some other website. In that case, you can encounter this issue. But if that is not the case, then the first approach should be to update the graphics card drivers on the system. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on the first one and update it. Right click on the second one and update it. The next solution will be to clear the cache. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, then click on this bin symbol here, and then make sure that the time range is all time and click on clear now. The next one is to update Edge. So go back to Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select Help and Feedback, and then select About Edge. It's checking for updates and will update it to the latest version. And the last solution is to reset the Edge browser. How? Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings, and then select Reset Settings. Click on Restore Settings to the default value and select Reset. And now it says Settings were reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.